let's start. So we're gonna make some guacamole, and we're gonna make a cauliflower Indian influenced turmeric fenugreek to help with inflammation, because I am always having inflammation, so I'm always thinking about foods that reduce inflammation, and turmeric does that. We're on our way to making a guacamole. This is going to go in my turmeric cauliflower dish. You gotta have a lot of garlic in our guacamole, right? Lots of garlic. Not all the garlic is gonna go into the guac. Just like some of the onions were split into there. I like it to be pretty spicy, so I put a lot of onions and a lot of garlic. But the rest of this garlic is gonna go in my turmeric dish here. Voila. So I split it in half because that was a little too much onions and garlic for the guac. So we have our guac, and I'm going to put this away so that I can save it for the remaining avocados that I currently have. And the ginger is insanely fresh. It's juicy, which sometimes it's dry. I feel like often it's dry. So put this in the container for the remaining avocados, and I don't have to do a lot of chopping tomorrow.
Thank you.
Beautiful. This one was the most bruised on the outside.
Hold on, Amy.
A little bit of chili powder. Bit of sumac on top. All right, time to dig in. Delicious lunch. All right, I took a little head pressure medicine, and it actually has, I think it has caffeine in it, but I am on a roll. I made this turmeric dish. I'm boiling some eggs, and I'm getting ready to go squeeze the tuna over at the area where the sinks are, because I don't like that smell. This is what a couple of days at Sweetwater hospital looks like. Eating because their hair is in it. It looks to me like it's mostly grain. Yeah. It looks like it's being framed. Cool. Come on, let's go this way. I am prepping for the springs. I've had a lot of water, like 4 or 5 glasses of this. I've had 2 packs of C, and I just finished 1 Nun with caffeine. And I should be good to go. Last time I was here, it actually triggered that sweet air bill from, the last time I was here. That, what is it, $20,000 bill? So I'm going to be really careful once I get into the springs. If I get overheated, I'm just going to get out. And I can tell, like, when I'm starting to, like, I can't take anymore kind of thing. So we're going to the springs. Show you soon. Okay, I'm gonna go around. This is the one I found last time I was here. Isn't it spectacular? And a lot of people miss this one for some reason.